Okay, today let's see how we can use the Claude Code for free without paying any money. And for that, we are going to use OpenRouter API. So let's move ahead and set up the OpenRouter API and the Claude Code. So you have to go to this OpenRouter documentations. Here they have explained for all the steps that we need to follow. So the step one would be install Claude Code. So you have to click on npm, and here you also need to install the Node.js. If you haven't installed the Node.js, you can install from browser from this website and get Node.js. And according to your window, you can download it. If you have Mac OS and Linux and AIX, you can download it from here. And then after that, go back to the documentation. And after that, we are going to copy this command and open your command prompt. Type cmd, and here you have to paste this prompt. And after that, our Claude Code will be installed. Here you can see added to package in 3 seconds. So now let's go back to the documentations, and the second step would be connect the Claude Code to the OpenRouter. So we need to connect the OpenRouter API to the Claude Code. So first we have to provide our OpenRouter API key. So let's go ahead and create the OpenRouter API key. So I have in the OpenRouter website. So I will give the link of it in my descriptions. You can directly went from there. And then from here, you can create your account using Google accounts, or you can also use your email. So I will go ahead and create my accounts with Google. And here we need to create one API key. So I will give it name as and you can also set its expiration date. So I will keep it as no expirations, and then click on create. And here we go, our API is created. Now copy the API key and paste it in your notepad or somewhere else where it is safe. So I will paste it here, and then again go back to my documentation. Now we need to set up this JSON file in our project directory. So I will copy this JSON file, and here you can see that we have to create one .claude folder inside our project directory, and then one JSON file. So let's go to our IDE editor where you are working. So create one .claude folder in your project router directory, and here create one file named setting, this one. And here you have to paste that JSON file. And the Anthropic base URL will remain same, and auth token, here you have to paste your API key which you have created from the OpenRouter. So let me paste my API key. And keep it blank of Anthropic API key, keep it blank. And here you also have to add one attribute, which is Anthropic models. It specify which model we are going to use from OpenRouter. So I will go to the OpenRouter here, OpenRouter, and click on models, and from here filter out which is free. So it will list all the free model that you can use in your project without paying any money. So I will go below, and here free model router. It will route all our requests to a free models which are available. Here you can see. So copy the name of the models and paste it here. And here we go. Everything is set up. Now we need to launch the Claude. Start your session. So now let's launch our Claude. New terminal. And here I will give Claude. And here you can see our Claude is launched, and it is asking for the preferred theme. So I will set it at dark mode, and now it will ask for the login method because our environment variable of these things are not set. So let's first set this environment variables in our. So let me exit from this terminal, and here you have to give the command like this. I will give this in the description box. You can copy from there. And now I will paste it here and enter. Our environment variable is seted. Now when you launch the Claude, it will not ask for the authentications. So let's see. Here you can see authentication part is not asking. I will press enter. Yes. And here you can see we are using OpenRouter free models. And let me also show you which model we are using. We are using custom models from the OpenRouter. And by default, the Claude will launch Sonnet 4.6. If you don't set your environment variables of this Anthropic, auth token, and base URL. So that's it. Now let me show you by giving some command. Hi. Here you can see hello, how can I assist you today? It is giving response. Now you can use the Claude without paying any money, unlimited times.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.